look at me and I look at you. I'm reaching for your shirt. What you want me to do? Say what you gon' do to me.
Alak na alak to, oh. Oh, yun kagad eh.
I was so nervous making this proposal. So, I asked my sisters, Ate Eliza and Ate Merlin for help. Ang hirap magplano because I didn't want her to think or feel na may tinatago ako sa kanya. I'm glad that my ate suggested na kumuha na lang ako ng event organizer to fix my engagement proposal. Luckily, our friend Ken Pancho is the founder of Event Fix Qatar, so I contacted and informed him about my plans, and I am happy sa naging resulta, especially that my now fiancé Kim accepted my proposal. I would like to thank also tong Kim's family for accepting and allowing my proposal, and syempre sa family ko, thank you to my ates, Ken Pancho, and our dearest friends for making this proposal successful. Thank you everyone.